So Binance recently put out a full report on the top AI and big data token sector. And they started to really dive into AI and crypto, how they're merging together, and what some of the major use cases there are as well. And I wanted to highlight some of the key takeaways from this recent report that they put together. As you guys know, if you've been listening and watching my channel here in the past year, I have become very, very bullish here in 2023 on the AI big data sector. And I've done fairly well here this year on some investments, and I continue to hunt for gems in this area and look for opportunities. There are just a ton of them out there in this sector. Right now, we're sitting at a $21 billion market cap, as you guys can see. And we're sitting there with, some household names. ICP, Injective has become a household name. Render, same thing. The Graph and Theta and Fetch, Singularity Net, and many others. However, there are tons down there that have not been explored yet. And when we think about AI and crypto, exploring the use cases and possibilities, I came across this Binance full report. Man, this was interesting. This was very interesting. It says, while AI has been the talk of the town in recent months, really all year, I think, the technology itself has been under development for decades. There are a handful of AI use cases in crypto already, and in this report, they examine the existing ecosystem developments by sector in this report. They say it's also crucial to note that we're still in the early stages of development, and more work needs to be done for widespread adoption, especially regarding the use of AI in crypto applications. Within DeFi, we have seen AI being used to augment the smart contract audit process, facilitate trade automation, and be paired with predictive analytics for more accurate forecasts. It's going to be great for traders. In the NFT space, AI has enabled generative art creation, allowed for intelligent and interactive NFTs, and provided tools to streamline the data analytics process. DAOs have also integrated AI to improve manual DAO operations. Don't have to manually do it anymore. Some early developments exist for using autonomous agents to act as the delegates for token holders and using AI to power the central DAO smart contract. Looking ahead, the intersection of AI and crypto has the potential to unlock a whole new world of possibilities. And if we dive into their report here, this is a 26-page report. We're not going to go over every single thing, but I did want to highlight some of these things. And this is a really, really well-done report overall. And those were some of the key takeaways there that I mentioned up top. And there are some kind of specifics that I still want to hit on. So they talk about, the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT and what this looks like. And how much it's become kind of part of our normal society now, right? And we scroll on down and we can see that some of the challenges, limited adoption so far, right? Utility versus proof of concept, focus on data privacy and technical challenges. We'll come back to some of those later, but you've got kind of a interesting approach here with AI, right? And it's still at its infancy stages. However, it's an area that's rapidly growing. Over $21 billion right now, the sector's worth. The technology, it says, is prevalent in many aspects of crypto, spanning sectors and offering different supporting functions tailored to improve the overall user experience. So we've got, the areas of data and storage, financial, generative creations, video rendering, specific, area focuses here. And more generalized, kind of like Fetch and AGIX. And it says here, we look at DeFi. Use case number 1, smart contract audits. AI can be used to augment the smart contract process. We mentioned that at the top. Case study, ChatGPT. Large language model developed by OpenAI. We've seen that come into its own, and it's a good example of how AI could be used. Now, how about intelligent trade automation? This is coming. DeFi offers traders a plethora of trading opportunities. However, monitoring one's position on an ongoing basis can be difficult and time-consuming. There are a lot of projects working in this area, intelligent trade automation. I've got a trading indicator, of course, and this is not so much AI, but it's just taking in a bunch of data and obviously giving us some great signals. But eventually, I think what we'll do with XT Algo is embed some AI element. I see that happening. We're already successful with our indicator that we have, but eventually, when things get even more accurate with because of AI, we'll adapt it and we'll use an AI bot with XT Algo as well. So if you guys want to check that out, the links are down below. And of course, if you guys are traders, I've got my Margex link, your reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. Guys, we just got Caspa listed on Margex. It's really cool. You can actually request to list assets. Once you become a trader, you sign up using my link. It's a great place to trade on leverage. Just be careful out there anytime you do that. However, a lot of people these days are learning how to trade with leverage and performing well with it. But they've got a really nice setup there on their spot exchange. Sign up with Margex today. They've got a $50 bonus to pay trading fees, and deposit $100 and get an additional $50 bonus using my link down below. Now, if we come back over to our intelligent trade automation, Fetch AI is actually doing that. That's one of the projects out there that I really like Fetch. But we've also got predictive analytics using data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes and forecast trends. We're kind of using that with XT Algo already. That's basically what we have. We have predictive analytics through statistical algorithms, historical data. We don't have so much machine learning techniques, but eventually, like I said, we're going to embed that stuff into our trading indicator because that is where the best traders are going to be. And we're not perfected that process yet. We haven't. But when paired with AI, it says the insights gleaned from these technologies can allow for more accurate forecasts and autonomous decisions to be made. And this is Ocean Protocol, an ecosystem to open source data sharing tools for the blockchain. Users of Ocean Protocol include data scientists who work with data and can create value from data by building AI models or simple learning models. Then we've got the NFT use case. Okay, we've got a couple case studies here, but generative art, we've seen that really take off all the way back from 2021. Here's a website here, Bixel. Okay, this is over on Binance's website. By analyzing a large number of data sets, an AI image generator such as Bixel can generate new and unique images with similar style and elements. Exactly what you want. Pretty crazy. Pretty sweet, actually. Then we've got elevating NFTs with intelligence and interactivity. This could have profound implications for Web3 gaming. I really am looking forward to the future of gaming and how AI will be integrated and embedded in that as well. Improved data analytics overall. More accurate data output, definitely possible. It's broadly achieved through AI/machine learning, whereby huge volumes of data are fed as an input to identify wash trading patterns or trends. That's certainly going to be big. Improved tedious DAO operations. We talked about that at the top. AI on the edge of DAOs. Autonomous agents act as token holders. We hit on that earlier as well. AI at the center of DAOs. AI-powered DAO central smart contract. The future of DAOs with AI, definitely going to be something to watch. Improving the metaverse experience. We know the metaverse is here to stay. We don't know exactly what it's going to look like. I'm sure AI is going to play a big role in it. And SingularityNet is powering their metaverse right now, obviously using AI as well. So it says here, what better way to get a sense of the potential future developments than to hear from thought leaders at the intersection of AI and crypto? And there are some big ideas out there, right? A lot of them surrounding DAOs here, it says. Decentralized training on the blockchain. So much to look forward to, guys, in this overall sector. And you guys know that I think we're just scratching the surface with AI. We saw NVIDIA blast off earlier this year. And now a lot of people starting to look in the AI blockchain sector to kind of see which companies out there are growing and building some unique, interesting things. This is certainly going to be one to watch as we move forward into 2024. This entire sector will be keeping our eyes peeled and very much so locked into it. So if you guys got some value here, let me know. And always smash that like button for us. Subscribe down below. And I appreciate each and every one of you greatly. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.